PEACE computes clustering for a FASTA file by running a suitable job on a server. The FASTA file to be clustered must be in the workspace as a dataset. The server on which the job must be run must have been added to the workspace and be in good status. To start, click on the clustering tool in the toolbar. Review the information in the overview screen and click the Next button. Select the dataset containing the FASTA file to be clustered. Enter a description summarizing the job for future reference. Click the Next button. This screen permits you select algorithms and parameters PEACE uses for clustering. The defaults are set to provide the best performance from PEACE. Refer to the user manual for more details on these parameters. You may disable heuristics if you wish. However, enabling the heuristics provides best performance without compromising clustering quality. Information on fine-tuning the parameters is available in the user guide. The defaults work best. In the next screen, you may change the path where the intermediate MST file is to be stored on your PC. In addition, select the server on which the job is to be run. You may choose to run a parallel job if you know the server supports it. To run a parallel job, you must choose more than one CPU or more than one cluster node. You need to know your cluster configuration, the number of nodes it has in CPUs per node. Contact your cluster administrator for platform configuration. You also need to set the total memory and estimated runtime for the job. This information is needed to submit jobs on a supercomputing cluster via PBS. You need more memory and runtime to cluster large FASTA files. More nodes and CPU reduce runtime, but increase maximum memory used. Typically, these values are determined through experience based on your platform configuration. Once you have set the values, click the Next button. In the next screen, you may change the path where the clustering data file is to be stored on your PC. Enter brief description about the clustering and its purpose. Finally, set the threshold value for clustering. Threshold value is important, and the user guide provides detailed information. Larger threshold values are less discriminatory, while smaller threshold values provide greater sensitivity. Once the threshold value has been set, click the Next button. This page shows detailed information about the job to be run. Peruse the information and click the Next button to submit the job. On clicking the Next button, the job will be submitted to the remote machine. The information to run the job is created in progress is displayed in detail in the log pane. Once the job has been submitted, a new job entry is added to the workspace. PEACE will periodically monitor the job and update status. For long-running jobs, you may close PEACE, and it will automatically restart monitoring the next time it is run. Once the job is complete, you will be prompted to copy the generated data files back to your PC. Once you have copied the files, you may view and analyze the clusters